Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have ROBOROCK QRevo curve vacuum cleaner and I'm going to show you all ways to manage your map. At first we have to click on this button over here, and here we have edit map. With this we can edit furniture, edit surface or sequence. We can even delete, restore or backup. If we click edit surface, we can set cleaning sequence. Here we have, as you can see, smart, automatically set room cleaning sequence by room types, okay, or manual edit or reset. We can reset every setting over here, as you can see. If we go back with this button over here, pardon me, too far. As you can see, if we go back, we can edit room. If we go back, we can edit furniture or sequence, as I did earlier. We can edit surface, for example, floor type. This is tile, floor, horizontal or vertical, or default. We can add carpet, that this is a carpet with this button over here, and there we have carpet. And as you can see, threshold. And we can add threshold, for example, over here. And with this tick we can save. I want to save these settings. And if we go back, apart from editing surface, we can edit furniture, and we can add bed or other bed, single or, as you can see, or multiple bed, TV stand, multi-seat sofa, double sofa, single sofa, modular sofa, and a lot of more. I will choose, for example, pet cage, and we have to smaller it. Wait a moment, and I will set it over here, for example. And now we have to click this tick button. After saving, the furniture model will be added to the map. Please check that the furniture is placed correctly. Okay. And now our map is updating, and as you can see, here we have our furniture. And that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.